Nick Mangwana udemba zvake chauyira pasocial media achitaura mashoko maybe understand haazoona kuti this is an insult kuma citizens. Sanapinda mashoko atinoona kuti aiwa Nick Mangwana aiwa panguva ino apisira ndobva subscribe like out on the bell like kuti ipinda paindo yake munomuziva kuti ndoko kumune publicity anodanyanyora chiti just an observation in our lives. Where does our personal responsibilities for our lives begin and end? Are we not entirely responsible for how our lives turn out? Are we not often too quick to blame parents, government, or spouses for our circumstances? Are we not displaying a tendency of externalizing blame and internalizing credit? I think our choices and actions shape our lives and not other people. Mashoko arikuya achizama kuzvichenesa. Panamba tinoona kuti anobvifadza mairi anobuda chiti just an observation. This post is the biggest insult to Zimbabweans. Zimbabweans are world famous for taking personal responsibility, being resilient, and always making a plan to plug the holes created by government's unending failures. You fail to deliver electricity, we buy solar panels. You fail to deliver water, we drill boreholes or buy water for private dealers. You fail to deliver an environment conducive for job creation. We immigrate and do whatever we can survive. You fail to deliver a stable economy. The diaspora brings in the forex needed to keep things afloat. You fail to ensure traffic lights work, vendors and homeless children direct traffic. You fail to deliver a functional public transport system. We create our own private taxis. You fail to deliver decent health care. We resort to private healthcare institutions. Mashoko anobuda toko panapa arikufadza mairi achiti we need new leaders. Panapa Nick Mangwana anobuda achiti aiwa it is our responsibility kuti tive neupenyu hwakanaka, but panapa achuya achizofaiwa manje achinzi aiwa imimi ndimunotokanganisa macitizens just because munovaisa masituations akaoma, but we find a way out. At the end the blame moidzosa zvekare kumacitizens, but we are the ones we are causing the trouble. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Abvina kume section medu mudze mafungiro enyu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.